I have confessed my sins which I committed against my Maker, and as it is written, He is faithful and just to forgive me of all my transgressions. Himself, He said, will be merciful and gracious towards my sins, and will remember my deeds of unrighteousness no more. Therefore, let everything that the accuser is holding against me, in order to keep afflicting me, be removed by the blood of Yissa Yah Kongo. With faith in my heart and with all my strength, I cry out, the balm of Gilead, the balm of Gilead, my healer. Heal me, O Tata Nzambi, and I shall be healed. Save me, and I shall be saved, for thou hast my praise. Let your thoughts that are not of evil towards me begin to prosper in my life. Woo! You wish me above all things that I may prosper and be in health, even as my soul prospereth. I receive this prosperity. Tata Nzambi has not given me a spirit of fear. Rather, He has given me a spirit of power, a spirit of love, and of a sound mind. I stand against the devil with the blood of Yissa Yah Kongo, and I bind any further attacks and afflictions. Mfumo Yissa Yah Kongo is my strength and power. He maketh my health perfect. Yissa Yah Kongo is the captain of my salvation. Tata Nzambi is my deliverer, redeemer, and protector. The joy of Tata Nzambi is my strength. No longer shall I be weak or become feeble again. I have eaten the flesh of Yissa Yah Kongo and drunk his blood. I shall no longer die, but live, to declare his praise, who loved me, died for me, and washed me with his own blood. Yissa Yah Kongo shall guide me continually and satisfy my soul in drought, and make fat my bones, and I shall be like a watered garden, and like a spring of water, whose water fail not. Now I am the workmanship of Tata Nzambi, recreated in Christ. I am one with Christ. Sickness has no place on me anymore. I have abundant life. Yissa Yah Kongo has restored me all the devil has stolen, killed, and destroyed. Yissa Yah Kongo has restored to me all that the devil has stolen, killed, and destroyed. No longer can any negative confession I made in times past about my health prosper. Tata Nzambi has started new things in my spirit, soul, and body, and they have already begun to sprung up. Ingata, praise worship. I praise Tata Nzambi for his mighty power that is able to heal all sicknesses. Thank you, Tata, for Tata is my Mafumu and he heals me. Let your healing hand be stretched out upon my life now in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let your miracle hand be stretched out upon my life now in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let your deliverance hand be stretched out upon my life now in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I annul every engagement with the spirit of death in Yissa Yah Kongo's name. I rebuke every refuge of sickness in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I destroy the grip and operation of sickness upon my life in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Every knee of infirmity in my life bow in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let my negativity be converted to positivity in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I command death upon any sickness in any area of my life in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I shall see my sickness no more in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let the whirlwind scatter every vessel of infirmity fashioned against my life in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Every spirit hindering my perfect healing, fall down and die now in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let all death contractors begin to kill themselves in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let every germ of infirmity in my body die in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let every agent of sickness working against my health disappear in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Fountain of discomfort in my life, dry up now in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Every dead organ in my body receive life now in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let my blood be transfused with the blood of Yissa Yah Kongo to affect my perfect health in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Every internal organ receive order in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Every infirmity come out with all your root in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I withdraw every conscious and unconscious operation with sickness in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let the whirlwind of the Mafumu blow every wind of infirmity away in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I release my body from every curse of infirmity in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. Let the blood of Yissa Yah Kongo flush every evil deposit out of my blood in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. I recover every organ of my body from every evil altar in the name of Yissa Yah Kongo. O Mufumu Tatana Zambi, I thank you for answering my prayer. Woo!